Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.